So my name is Sergio Silva. I started the Investment Society in 2007. I'm currently a VP on the equity derivative sales trading desk at Barclays. I've been there for the last 2 years. I started my career right after UTSA. I went to Goldman Sachs to do emerging market sales. So the idea just came about when we were here for the summer. We wanted to give finance students a place to go and learn about Excel, Bloomberg, really extracurricular things that you will pick up in the later parts of your major, but which you wanted to have from the beginning, so you have a good set of skills that will help you really develop your career and also give you a chance at getting internships and job offers as soon as you graduated, instead of waiting after you had some more experience. I think the society has just become something of its own, and it's great. Obviously, we have the best faculty advisor in the whole planet in Professor Sweet. He's done a really good job at motivating all the students, at keeping, thinking about the long-term vision of the society.
My name's Ron Sweet. I'm professor of finance at the University of Texas at San Antonio. I have 23 years of experience in finance, ending my career retiring from USAA in 2009 as head of equities, managing over $30 billion in portfolios and mutual funds and corporate portfolios. My vision with the Investment Society, working with Sergio, our founder, was to find mechanisms for students to take what they were learning in class and apply it in real-world applications of finance, so that they would be able to understand and speak finance as actual finance professionals, giving them a huge advantage in job applications, job interviews, and actually in their first entry-level finance job, making them much stronger candidates than the typical undergraduate college student.
So the society really helped me a lot in my career in terms of the fungible skill set that I kind of gained while I was in school. I realized that when I started work, I could really hit the ground running, and I think that's because of a lot of the kind of finance background and computer-related skills that I gained working with other members of the Investment Society.
I think the most important thing when you join the society is to get involved in as many activities as you can. That can be either a class or a sector. This semester we began teaching classes, and that's a little different from a sector where we focus on one specific skill and we teach you that. Right now we're offering classes in programming, statistics, wealth management, etc. The other aspect of that is the sector meetings, which are also held at the FSC, and the difference between both is that one is the sector meetings are a team exercise where you have a senior analyst and a junior analyst building a model to find out what companies are the best within that specific sector. The society, I think the most critical aspect when someone comes in is the hands-on experience. What you see from new members coming in is that obviously they lack the skills that someone would require at a finance job, and I believe that someone that goes to the society, someone that stays here for 4 years or 2 years or 3 years, whatever, how long they stay with the society, they will develop those hands-on skills that will be transferable to their full-time job.